Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change the battery in your Honda Odyssey key fob. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, you'll need a new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly available. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the emergency key itself. This entire task should take you only about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's get started by opening your key fob. Look for a small release button on the back of the fob. Slide this button to the side, and then carefully pull out the hidden emergency key. This metal key is not just for emergencies. It's also a handy tool for the next step. Keep the key fob with the buttons facing down to help keep them in place. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot where the two halves of the fob meet. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Once open, carefully remove the old CR 2032 battery. Insert the new CR 2032 battery with the positive or plus side facing up. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot at the bottom of the fob until you hear a click, indicating it's locked. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm that it is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.